How to post long video on your Facebook story. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way to post long video on your Facebook story. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to update your application and sign into your particular account. Tap Create a Story at top left corner of the screen and tap on Continue to access to camera roll. Now again select Allow. In order to post long video on your Facebook story, you simply need to choose and select the video that you have pre-recorded from your gallery. So you can easily select any one from your gallery. So instead of recording or capturing the video currently, you have to select the pre-recorded video. So no matter how long it is, it will be easily posted on your Facebook story. So here you can easily customize adding the music, stickers, text and many more. So let's tap on the share button at bottom right corner of the screen and tap on OK. And in this way you can easily post long video on your Facebook story. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.